It is prohibited to urinate here. What about there? I'm a Filipino, but I was born and raised up in Germany. And I don't know how to speak Tagalog. Being now in my 40s, I want to learn more about my Philippine origins, the culture, the way of life, and maybe Tagalog. As a videographer, I travel the Philippines within 3 weeks to capture the beauty of the country. And who could be better travel companions than mom and dad? And they know how to speak Tagalog. Hey, I'm Michael, I'm from Bavaria, Germany, and this is my travel story. So while my parents and me are planning about which islands to go, whether we go to Coron, Boracay, something like that, we're going to the local beach now. Oh. Is this a parade? Something?
Yeah, it was about the anniversary of one.
Thank you. Right now we are in the city of Lingayen, which is the capital of the province of Pangasinan. Pangasinan. And behind me is the capital building of the province of Pangasinan. Yeah, I took a seat in the office of the provincial governor. I'm sitting in a cottage which is free of charge. The air is salty, and although it's 31 degrees Celsius, you don't feel that it's that hot because of the mild wind. I can help myself, but Filipinos seem to love loud music. Nice karaoke, by the way. It seems like different karaoke songs are competing with each other. Let's go to the beach. Run now. It's not an incentive to do sports. Actually, it's a tsunami warning. Okay guys, that's the moment of the truth. Gonna run into the water. I have to go to the doctors. When I was in the salt water in Lingayen beach, some dirt must have come into my ears. So I guess the doctors have to clean them up a bit. Let's go!
First time you po ba, no? Okay, hindi na ako naman. First time. Siya, first time. Pwede siyang muna pupunta sa fitness? Sige po, sige po.
We should come back in an hour. Where do we go meanwhile, Mom? Okay, you go to your massage and I'll do something else. Okay, and you can shower here also? Okay, cool. Thank you. Yeah. I'm not able to speak Tagalog, but it's a topic on its own. I'm gonna explain you someday.
Nighttime is ours. 7 days a week, the darkest hours. In a magic field, we let it all out, we're well concealed.
was your massage?
Oh, very, very, very good.
It was full body massage, wasn't
Yes,
it?
from head to foot.
Oh, here it is. No airwalks anymore.
No more.
Thanks, doctor.
9.
Okay, one tap,
One tap.
at bedtime, and this is the
This one, eardrops. 3 drops, 2 times a day, both ears.
Okay.
And nose.
Okay. Thank you very much, doctor.
Thank you very much. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you. The doctor found something serious I didn't expect. I'm gonna tell you. So, first of all, the doctor found what I originally assumed. He found some airwalks, but he found something much more severe, which caused my pain, which really caused my pain. As a matter of fact, the doctor found some heavy middle ear infection, and that was not funny. However, the doctor prescribed me some antibiotics and ear drops, and the most important thing is I'm still allowed to go into the water. Yeah. Oh, Dad, don't buy something, please. Did they persuade you to buy that thing? Thank God they didn't.
Gawa sa sisi.
Opisina ni ko.
Just been in a travel agency and booked our first flight to Coron, Palawan. We're coming. Mom, are you excited to go to Palawan?
Not so much.
Why?
Just because of you, we will go to Palawan.
Because of me?
Yes.
You will enjoy that. I assure you. Hey guys, it's 6:30 in the morning. My ear is on the way to recovery. We are waiting here at the bus station and we're heading to Clark International Airport. Now comes phase 2 of my Philippine trip. Want to join my trip to Palawan? Then please like my video and subscribe my channel if you haven't already. See you in Coron.